Come test drive the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, fog lights, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.